What's up, fools?
Hey, ewa salame, babak no papir, ewa salame, zingzalbim, ewa salame, hey, hey. Hey.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I've got a treat for y'all today. This little video that I'm about to show y'all is very near and dear to my heart. It is the most iconic makeup tutorial of the century, and I'm going to be following this makeup look, and it is the Mona Lisa Arch of Destiny makeup tutorial. Why haven't I done this already? Why haven't I done this? This video is so freaking funny. I have made so many jokes referring to this and nobody ever understands me. So from now on, you guys are gonna understand me. And without any further explanation, let's just get started. Let's just go. The most iconic Chola makeup tutorial right here, right now.
What's up, fools? This is your one and only baby girl. This is Güerita right here. I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial to like show everybody like how to do your eyebrows and shit, like me, because everybody be asking me like, girl, how you get your eyebrows to look so good? And I'm like, you know, it's a trick to it, you know. You gotta have like a person.
Is it not that funny? Because I'm sorry if you guys aren't laughing, I don't know what will make you laugh. This is just too much.
When you got personality like me, like you be knowing like how to do your eyebrows.
Oh yeah, we know how to do our eyebrows here. I think I actually did these brows once. Do y'all remember that? Because I don't.
So right now I'm gonna show you how I do my.
I love this so much. It's just the way she starts the transition. Just.
Right now I'm gonna show you how I do my mysterious eyebrow. So when I do my eyebrows like this, like it makes me look mysterious and like you don't know what.
So let me actually catch up to her. So I cannot believe, and I don't remember this. She glued down her brows. That's crazy. I'm not gonna glue them down, but I am just gonna meet her halfway there. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in almond, and I'm just mysterious. And then I'm just gonna powder these. Latina girl, or even Latina if you don't glue down your brows. I don't think so. Let's keep going.
When I do my mysterious eyebrows, I do one like this, like kind of low. And I like to use liquid eyeliner because it just comes out like super nice and super black and super clean. Like I just waxed them.
Yep. Just like it. Yum. Ooh.
And like I'm feeling mysterious, so I'm gonna put a little triangle right here because you know the Bermuda Triangle is kind of mysterious place. So I'm gonna put like a little triangle right here to be more mysterious.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We're gonna be mysterious. Very low placement, just like she said. Yum. And then we're gonna do the Bermuda Triangle like she said, because it's mysterious. My favorite part of this video is the birds chirping in the back when it's super silent.
I gotta draw one eyebrow like up, you know what I mean? Cause it just gives me that look like, you don't know what I'm thinking, you don't know what's going through my brains. So the other one, I'm gonna draw it like up.
Ooh,
so I look like I'm kind of like. Once again, we gotta get the Bermuda Triangle, cause we mysterious right now.
Oh, wait, no, that's okay.
And I like doing it with this because when you like mess up or something, like you could just go in and like scratch it off or something and it comes right out. I keep putting my mirror in my camera, but you know.
Me too, girl.
You guys understand what I'm doing.
See, that's why I let them know.
And then I just connect it right here, you know. We gotta connect four and shit.
Ooh!
And you don't want to be like having little dots and shit around your eyebrow because you're going to look like you got fleas in your eyebrow. You don't want to look like you got fleas in your eyebrow because that's dirty, dude.
I think I have like a little dot like right here. Can y'all see that? Dragged.
So there's my like mysterious eyebrow. You know, you don't know what I'm thinking. Like, I got the people's eyebrow going on.
Okay, so apparently she's done with her little tutorial, but we are not, because you see, she's got her whole face done. We gotta meet her there halfway. So I'm gonna show you how to do the real Chula makeup look. La chulita, you know. So I've got my Milani blush. No shade to any of these products. I'm sure all these products are great, but I'm going to make them look better. Oh, it's the perfect shade. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm actually impressed how pigmented this is. That's kind of crazy. There has to be like some type of red eyeshadow on this or something. There's no way. It just is like a little bit, like a tad bit darker, just a little bit. So we're just gonna get like a tad bit of powder. Y vamos a echar un poquito, pero un poquito, no tanto. Mira, así. Eso, dile. You know what though? I kind of look like Pikachu right now. We don't have the fleeky eyeshadow, so we're gonna grab like a blue eyeshadow. Ooh, but she got a little bit of... Anyways, we're gonna put a little bit of fleeky blue eyeshadow, and then you just get a little bit of like the darker the darker blue. I'm using the BH Cosmetics sweet... What is it called? Bubblegum Sweet Shot palette, and then you wing it out. Honestly, her wing is really good. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, that's a good like wing on the top. My eyeliner is not as fleeky as hers just because I'm simply not her. I guess this is the closest that we're gonna get to her fleeky eyeshadow, but don't play because we're not done. I don't know if you see it, but she's got like a really popping lip like liner. So we're gonna go ahead and use the ColourPop lip tint. Luxe Velvet in the shade Genie. And now we're gonna do our fleeky lip liner. Stop! I'm not even trying to do this. I'm not trying to take more than one take, but this is just too funny. I can't look at myself. So now that I am a Chola, I don't think I'll ever be her, but I'm close enough and I'm really feeling it right now. Like, this is really super confident, like wearing confident. I wish this was a joke. What is it called? Now we're gonna keep on seeing what she has to say about the rest of the makeup look.
Before I forget, you gotta put your beauty bowl on your face because you know every girl wants to be like Marilyn Monroe. So
right.
I gotta put my beauty mark on. Like if I'm gonna go to a funeral or like if my mom didn't make me like mole, like I be having. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make your eyebrows look sad. So like when you sad, people know like I'm sad and you don't have to.
The way I'm about to get like flashbacks right now because I did a little sad makeup look. And not gonna lie, this looks very close to my drag makeup look. Bueno, ciao, pues. Wow, that came out quick. Oh yes, the commas of destiny.
Then you can make it like a little bit more longer, but you don't want to connect it too much because you don't want to look like the guy at 7-Eleven.
The way these are literally the brows I did on Instant Influencer. Bye.
Maybe see me walking down the street looking like this. Like you guys know, like I'm going through something. It's just so sad. It's just, I got you guys. You guys thought I was sad. Look, you see, that's why I'm telling you it works when you do your eyebrows like this because people really think
she's
you're
right.
sad.
I really do look sad, but I didn't need these brows to do that.
Let me show you how to do the next eyebrow.
Ooh, girl, my skin's about to cry.
Like that, you see?
Ooh, I see the vision.
Then once you do that, then you gotta like fill it in. I just feel like it makes me look really sexy, you know? And then when I got my little dress on.
I've got my red dress on tonight. Dancing in the dark in the moonlight.
I be wanting to put a fur. You know, I be wanting to feel fancy, like drink with my pinky up and. So yeah, so these eyebrows right here that I'm gonna show you, like all my haters be like, bitch, that's the Ronald McDonald right there.
Oh, not the Ronald McDonald. These are the Arches of Destiny. Let me take off these brows. Oh my gosh, girl. How many times am I gonna take off my brows for this video?
This right here is the Arch of Destiny. Like that's what I call
the
these
Arch
eyebrows.
of Destiny.
But I call them the Arch of Destiny because like good things always be happening to me. Like when I be wearing my eyebrows like this, like I be getting opportunities all the time.
Manifestation.
Like, people be like yelling at me on the street like, damn, you're a freak. And like people be telling me all kinds of stuff. I also call them the Mona Lisas because you know I be looking like Mona Lisa when I do my.
This is what I've been waiting for this entire video. This is like the joke of the century. Cause me and Arlene, like I call her Mona Lisa.
So like let me show you how I do it real quick so I can do my Mona Lisa pose for you guys.
Yes.
You're gonna make like an M shape, like not for McDonald's people. Like you're gonna make an M shape for like Mona Lisa, not for McDonald's, like for Mona Lisa. That's how you're gonna make your M shape. Damn, look, I look like Mona Lisa right now. I look like her, huh?
This is the best
but
part of the
yeah,
video.
so this is the Mona Lisa, aka the Arch of Destiny. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment, and like let me know what you think.
Well, that was the end of the video, unfortunately. I wish it was longer. And here's my final makeup look, the Arches of Destiny, my final Chola makeup look. You know, I am gonna go outside in California. Y'all can't not like this makeup. Like, are you kidding me? I think this is the best makeup look I've ever done in my life. Do y'all have any other funny makeup video tutorials that I can follow? Because I really do want to do more of these. They're just so fun for me to film. You guys have no idea. I think this is like the most fun I have in the studios. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I will see you guys in the future. Bye.